Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ramen noodles in the microwave. First, select a microwave-safe bowl that is large enough to comfortably hold your noodles and at least 2 cups of liquid. Unwrap your ramen noodles, setting aside the seasoning packet for later. Then, add approximately 1 1/2 cups of water to the bowl, ensuring the noodles are mostly submerged. This initial step is crucial for even cooking and preventing boilovers. Now it's time to cook those delicious noodles. Carefully place your bowl into the microwave. Cook the noodles on high power for an initial 3 minutes. After this first cooking interval, carefully remove the hot bowl using oven mitts and give the noodles a good stir to help them separate. Then, return the bowl to the microwave and continue cooking on high for an additional 2 minutes. This 2-stage cooking ensures they are perfectly tender. With your noodles perfectly cooked, it's time to add that signature flavor. Carefully open the seasoning packet that you set aside earlier and sprinkle its entire contents over the hot noodles. Using a fork or chopsticks, stir the noodles thoroughly, ensuring the seasoning is evenly distributed throughout the broth. Finally, let your ramen sit for about 1 minute. This brief resting period allows the flavors to fully meld, creating a richer taste. To elevate your microwave ramen experience, here are a few pro tips. For an extra layer of savory flavor, try adding a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil after cooking. You can also enhance your meal by topping it with a soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or even a slice of cheese. Remember, the bowl will be very hot, so always use oven mitts or a towel when removing it from the microwave for safety. Enjoy your delicious, quick meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.